Peace and love, kings and queens. Jean-Vive Neymani here. Listen, today I want you to go check on your people. I want you to dress up, look cute, feel good, smell good, pour into you first. Do that workout, pray, meditate, do the facial, clean your home, and then go check on your people, my love. Go check on your elders, check on your kids, check on your boo, check on your friends, check on your neighbors. Check in or call someone who comes to mind right now who you've been meaning to see, but you've been too busy to see, because no one is too busy for us. It's all about priorities. As you can see, I got a busy day ahead, right? But when you organize, when you set clear intentions, you will always be blessed and what you need. You'll always be blessed with doing what you need, all right? Share this with someone you love. Go check on your peeps. Tell them how much you care about them, love them, how proud you are of them, even if they know it already. All right? I love you all. I headed to see my aunt. Today's her birthday. Then I'm going to pick up my other aunt to go see her. And then my son is stopping by. So, yeah, we should have a good time. I thought I got to work, but it's all good. Anyway, love you guys.